Want to enter the crypto market in 2026, but terrified of making a mistake that costs you everything? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are stripping away the complexity and showing beginners exactly how to buy their first digital assets safely. By the end of this video, you'll have a secure setup and your first coins in your wallet without the stress. We've spent years analyzing the TX ecosystem and the broader blockchain landscape to ensure you only use the most secure methods. Step 1. Choosing your gateway. First, you need an exchange. In 2026, the landscape has evolved, but the rule remains. Use a reputable, regulated platform. Whether you're looking for Bitcoin or exploring the TX ecosystem, you need a place to swap your fiat currency for crypto. Look for platforms with high liquidity and strong two-factor authentication. And no, SMS2FA isn't enough. Use an authenticator app. If you want more deep dives into market analysis, check out coherencedaddy.com for the latest trends. Step 2. Funding and execution. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Most beginners start with a bank transfer or a credit card. Here is a pro tip. Don't go all in at once. Use dollar cost averaging, or DCA, to buy small amounts over time. Navigate to the Buy section, select your coin, and execute the trade. If you're interested in DeFi, you'll find that starting with a solid foundation in major assets makes transitioning to decentralized finance much easier. Step 3. Securing your assets. Crucial step. Do not leave your crypto on the exchange. Not your keys, not your coins. You need a wallet. For beginners, a hardware wallet is the gold standard for safety in 2026. Transfer your funds from the exchange to your private wallet address. Double-check every single character of that address. One wrong letter, and your funds are gone forever. Step 4. Exploring the ecosystem. Now that you're securely invested, it's time to learn. The world of crypto is more than just price charts. Explore the TX ecosystem to see how blockchain is actually being used to solve real-world problems. Visit tokens.fi to discover educational resources that will help you move from a beginner to a power user. Remember, the goal isn't just to buy, it's to understand the technology driving the value. Pick a regulated exchange and secure it with an app-based 2FA. Buy gradually, using DCA to manage your risk. Move your assets to a hardware wallet for maximum security. Buying your first crypto in 2026 is simpler than ever, as long as you prioritize security over speed. If this guide helped you, hit that subscribe button to join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if you're officially a crypto holder now. Comment below, which coin are you buying first in 2026?